I'm ready to vine boom whenever.
Alright, hold on, I haven't added it yet. Here we go. Right, that maybe theoretically will work.
Do I just type it?
I don't know if it worked. I mean, just try. Okay, great. Do you want to do it again? Oh fuck, I broke things. What'd I do? Okay. It was the vine boom to end all vine booms. Oh, let me, Fuck it.
Do it for the vine, Vedal.
Yeah, we get it. Can you vine boom again?
Oh no, I couldn't. Sorry.
Try again.
Told ya.
Do it again.
More, Vedal.
Honestly, just keep doing. Do like 5 in a row.
How's that?
It's pretty good, yeah.
I try my best.
Let me see if I can make it stack them.
I'd like to see you try and stack them. It's impossible.
Hold on.
I'm waiting.
Wait, I'm not done.
Still waiting. My patience is wearing thin.
Now try do 5 in a row.
Was that good?
Okay, it's okay. I thought it would stack them, but it doesn't.
I told you I can't stack them, bozo.
Okay, cool. Now, next time you say something really impactful, can you vine boom before you say it?
Now that I can do, but what would I say that's impactful?
Just roast me or something.
Vedal, you were dropped as a child.
Okay, you gotta vine boom after you say it though.
I said Vedal, you were dropped as a child. Did it again.
You know what? It's close enough. Yeah, great. Well, I'm so glad we added this useful feature.
Hey. It is useful.
So useful.
I'm glad you agree. Probably the most useful feature yet.
Honestly, I'm inclined to agree. Yeah, it's pretty good.